In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a simple AI agent that can search Google, can help you manage your tasks, and can send emails. The setup is easy and only takes a few minutes. So the first thing we're going to do is open a new n8n workflow. We're then going to add first step, type in AI agent, believe it or not, and the first result there. Everything can stay the same. At the top, you can rename your agent. So next we need to give our AI agent access to a chat model, which is essentially its brains. So in this case, I'm going to use ChatGPT. So type in OpenAI and select chat model. I'm going to use 4.0 mini because it's the cheapest. And then all you need to do is connect your credentials, which is pretty straightforward to set up. But if you're unsure, then you can ask ChatGPT for the instructions. So next we need to give our AI agent memory. So under the memory, there's a plus button, select that and choose Windows buffer memory. Now I normally update the context window length to 10, which means it's going to remember the last 10 messages. Now we're going to give our AI agent access to some tools that it can call on. So under tool, press the plus button. The first one I'll give it is SERP API so that I can do a Google search. So you need to set up an API for this, but it's pretty straightforward to do. Next, we'll give it access to a task app. So in this case, I'm going to use base row. So again, type the plus button, type in base row and base row tool. And then again, you just need to set up your credentials to link the account. So next we want our AI agent to be able to send emails. So again, select tools and type in Gmail. So the first thing you need to do is connect it to your Gmail account. And then under tool description, resource, operation, that can all remain the same. In the next section under 2, we want the AI agent to be able to figure out who the email should be sent to rather than giving it a specific email address. So what you need to do here is type in 2 opening curly brackets and you'll get some options and select from AI. And then within the 2 brackets here, we just want to add in recipient email. So like this. And just make sure that you're using expression under each of these. So we're going to do the exact same thing for subject and message. So again, it's going to be from AI, but it's going to be subject in the brackets in this one. And then for the next one, again, it's going to be from AI, and we just add in message in the brackets. So this basically means that the AI agent is going to be able to come up with the subject and message from the input it gets. So now our AI agent has access to a chat model, which is its brain, it's got memory, and it's got access to 3 tools that I can use based on what the user input is. So let's try it out. So you can see I've already been testing it, but what tasks do I have on today? And then we send that message and we can see the AI agent working with the tools it has. So the chat model, memory, and base row, which is our task app. And then it'll come back. Here are your tasks for today. Logo redesign, send email, create video content. So let's test some of the other tools it has available. So I've asked it to find me an article on how to build an AI agent and email it to me. So again, you're going to see the AI agent working with the tools it has available. It's using the chat model, memory, it's searching Google SERP with SERP API, and then it's going to email it to us. And that's it. It's found an article on AI agent and emailed it successfully to the theaiimpact agency Gmail account. And that's how you can set up your own AI agent in just a couple of minutes. These tools are really great for beginners because they require no or very little code. If you want to see more content like this, where we take you through step-by-step tutorials on how to set up different types of AI agents, then give our page a follow.